Okay, we got 999,997. Let's go refresh.
Are you ready? Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
We did it! August 24th, 2018, the day I reached 1 million followers on Facebook to go along with 300 million video views. To think that I got my first video camera 19 months ago when Deanna bought me this Canon, I never in a million years thought I'd reach this milestone. But let me back up a little bit and introduce myself to all my new friends and tell you exactly how I got here step by step. My name is Drew Binsky. I'm 27 years old from Scottsdale, Arizona, and as you can probably guess, I'm addicted to traveling. I've been to 140 countries since 2012. This place is called the Omo Valley, and I'm on a mission to visit every country in the world. During my junior year of college at Wisconsin, I studied abroad in Prague, which instilled the travel bug inside me. After visiting 20 countries in Europe that semester, I knew I wanted to make a career out of traveling. So after graduating, I took a job as an English teacher in South Korea, where I lived for 2 years and started my first travel blog called The Hungry Partier. I worked day and night on it for 2 years without making a penny, but by the time I left Seoul, I was getting small sponsors which reduced my travel costs. So I packed my bags and traveled. I went on a 3-month solo trip to India in 2015, and at this exact moment, as I sat on my hotel balcony in Jaisalmer, I discovered the potential of Snapchat and ran with it.
Hey, say hello to the world. Hi. Hello!
The following year or so, I was making a full-time living from Snapchat, getting sponsorships from brands like TripIt and Lonely Planet. I Instagrammed and blogged on the side, and my Facebook and YouTube pages were basically inactive. In January 2017, Deanna bought me a nice Canon EOS M3 and inspired me to make videos. At the same time, Snapchat was virtually overtaken by Insta Stories overnight. The timing was perfect. I made a video in North Korea in April 2017, which hit 10 million views. And that was a pivotal moment when I realized I needed to focus on video. Plus, I enjoy telling stories through video much more than writing or photos. It wasn't until 9 months ago, in Antarctica, when I decided to do daily videos. And here I am now, with a newly upgraded camera, creating travel content every day. My job is very tedious and time-consuming, and I am a workaholic, but I love every second of it, and I couldn't imagine doing anything else. It's all about staying consistent, focusing on telling unique stories with a hook, executing the filming and editing, and then committing to do it every single day. There is also a lot of marketing that goes on behind the scenes. It's also been a test of patience. Now I'm making a final push to reach my goal of visiting every country, which I have 53 left. But my biggest goal is to keep inspiring you to travel and follow your dreams, because if I did it as a regular kid from Arizona, why can't you do it too? It's achievable to anyone watching this video if you're willing to put in the long hours and have patience. So that's my story, and I hope you enjoyed listening. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching my videos and keep sending me all your messages and comments. You are the reason why I do what I do. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.